Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what are the components of a worm. Is a kind of malware that can propagate from one device to another device from one network. It just consumes the resources, multiple tasks it can perform. Let's see what are the components of worm. Worm basically find out first of all enabling the vulnerability. Whatever the vulnerability exists in your system, you will just enable those, and it is having the propagation mechanism. There, after infecting one machine, overuse the resources, okay, and then it can propagate on the another machine and then start to infect the other machine. Here, and it is also having the payload, means it is having the kind of program which can be executed on the system, and it can give some kind of way so the hacker can enter on your system and can take advantage of the vulnerabilities which exist on your system. So these are the components of a worm. Let's see here. For example, hackers found out some kind of vulnerability exists on your system and drop a worm there, and it is an example. It can be vary for whatever the days is mentioned here. So for example, from first 19 days it will propagate. You will just find out whatever the vulnerability exists on one machine to the another machine, and for example in the next 7 days it will just launch those attacks. That's the next assignment assigned to the worm. And another in the another step, it will not be get detected by the software, security software which you are using, so it will just stop working for few days, so it can be dormant itself, so that things will look very normal and easy, okay, and it can repeat the same cycle, find out the vulnerability on the other systems, attacking, and it can also open some kind of backdoor, so that hackers can also multiple tasks can do, and just damage on your system. It can just overuse the resources which exist. Yeah. So these are the components of worm. And follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session, and also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what are the components of worm. And in the next session I will discuss about SIM, SEM and SI, and what is the difference between those, what is the role of this in cybersecurity. Namaste, see you in the next session.